वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Dear students, beta I hope you all are fine. So Rajay, today we will start the next chapter, that is visualizing solid shapes. Okay, so first of all I will tell you about the solid shapes. Solid shapes are the shapes which we can also say that 3D shapes, the shapes having the 3 dimensions like length, breadth and height. Okay, so these are few solid shapes. Let's talk about these shapes one by one. Okay, so beta, this is our first shape. Okay, and this is known as a cuboid. So you can see this cuboid have the rectangular faces. Firstly we will talk about that it has the 6 faces. Okay, 1, then 2, then back one is 3. Okay, left and right 2 base faces are there, 4 and 5, and 1 is on the bottom, that is 6. Okay, 6 faces it have. Now beta, next we can talk about that it have the 4 rectangular faces. One is this one is also, you can see it is a rectangle because it has opposite sides equal. Okay, and these two opposite sides are equal to each other, so it have the 4 rectangular faces. One I have shown you, that one, second, third, and this one is a fourth. And the other two, the rest two are, these two are this one and this one. These two are the square faces. So it have 4 rectangular faces and 2 square faces. Okay, total it have 6 faces. After that we will talk about the edges. Now beta, at the point where 2 faces are like this face and this face, at what point these are joining with each other, these 2 faces are joining at what point or what with the help of which line, that is known as the edges. Okay, so it have the 12 edges. Clear? Now we will talk about the vertices, where beta the edges are meeting like this. The corners, you can say the corners are also known as the vertices. So it have total 8 vertices. You can see 1, 2, then 3, and then this one is 4. Okay, so it have total 4 on this one side and 4 on this one side. So it have 8 vertices. Clear? Now we will talk about the next shape, that is cube. So again, same like cuboid, cube also have the 6 faces, and beta cube have the 6 square faces. You can see it is equal from all the sides. At whatever side from which whatever side I will show you, you can see these all from all sides it is a square. So it also have the, as I already told you, it also have the 6 faces, and all the 6 faces are square faces. Then it have again the 8 vertices and 12 edges. Vertices means this is the vertices which is the corner is known as the vertex. Okay, so it have total 8 vertices, 1, 2, then this one is 3, this one is 4. Okay, and 4 at the bottom also, I will show you. So and edges, it have the 12 edges again, 1, then this one is 2, this one is 3, and this one is 4. Okay, and 4 on all the sides, so there were total 12 edges. Clear ji? Now we will talk about the few other shapes which are having the curved faces. Okay, so the first one I am going to show you, that is a cone. Okay, so beta, this is a cone. The cone have one vertex, this one is vertex. Okay, and it have the one curved edge, this one curved edge, and this cone has been made with the help of 2 figures. Okay, one is a triangle and the next is a circle. So you can see the bottom. Okay, this has been made with the help of a circle. Okay, so when the circle and the triangle is meeting, at which point it is meeting, here you can see these 2 shapes are joining with each other and they are forming here the edge. Okay, clear? So beta, cone have one vertex and one curved edge. Clear? And it has the 2 faces. Which 2 faces? One is this one face, okay, and the one is this face, okay, clear. One is a flat face and one is a curved face. Curved face is of a triangle. When we will curve, make the that one rectangle close, when we will make the triangle close, that will form a cone. Clear ji? Now after that we have the next curved surface shape, that is cylinder. Okay, cylinder has been made with the help of two geometrical shapes. One is a circle and the another is a rectangle. Okay, when we fold the rectangle, it will make like this. Clear? So it have the two curved face. Okay, so it has been made with the help of two type of figures, we can say, that is square and circle and rectangle. Okay, and it have the two edges. This one edge complete this curved edge, and the second one is this one curved edge. ठीक है जी? Clear? Okay, so it has three faces, one curved and two flat surfaces. This one surface and this one surface. These two are of flat surfaces and this one is the curved surface. Clear? Okay, and it have the two edges where the rectangle and the two circles are meeting. Clear? One from this side and other is on this side. Clear? Now beta, we have the sphere. Sphere beta, this is also a geometrical shape, but sphere have only curved surface. It has only curved surface. It has no vertex and no any edge. Okay. After that beta, now we will talk about the pyramids. Okay. So these are the pyramids which I am going to show you now. So these are the pyramids you can see. Okay. So pyramids has been made with the help of triangles and one flat surface. Clear? So you can see this pyramid. Okay. These all faces are joining at one corner, or it has only one vertex. Clear? Okay. And it has the four faces. Now you can say, ma'am, how four faces are there? There is 1, then 2 and then 3, and this one is 4. Okay, so it has the 4. Now beta, on the flat surface, means this one surface on the basis of the base, this is the base of this shape, this is the base of the pyramid. So on the basis of the shape of the pyramid, we can recognize the pyramids. So this has a triangular face, triangular base. So we can say that this is a triangular pyramid. Okay. Now after that, I will show you one more pyramid. You can see here this one pyramid. It has 5 faces and 1 vertex. Okay, and you can see this one side 1 triangle, 2, 3 and 1 is this one is 4. Okay, now after that, if we can see the base of it, it has the square base, so it is known as a square pyramid. Okay, the third one pyramid, it is you can see it has been made with the help of 5 triangles. Okay, and it has the base that is a pentagonal. It has a pentagon shape as a base. Okay, it has 5 sides, so it is a pentagon. Okay, and so for that we can say this is a pentagonal. What we can say? This is a pentagonal pyramid. Okay. Now the next thing which we will talk about, that is a prism. Okay, this is a prism. So beta, prism have these two faces. This one and this one will be same. Okay, same shape and same size. Okay, this one also having the same length, breadth and height. Okay, so this is known as a prism. Clear? So one is this prism and the second one is this one. This one is also a prism. Okay, so on this side you can see it has the triangular face. Okay, and on this side also you can see it has a triangular base. So both these bases are same. Okay, clear? So beta, I hope you have understood about these solid shapes. Again I am going to show you. These two are the prisms. Okay, these two are the pyramid. These three are the pyramids. Okay, this is a cylinder, this is a sphere, okay, this is a cone, and this one is a cube, and this is a cuboid. Okay, but I hope you understood about all these shapes. Okay, so I hope you will be able to complete your exercise which is based on all these 3D shapes. Okay, thank you beta ji, have a nice day. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।